thinking, well, what is Collateral Beauty? Like, it was a great film, but what is the actual meaning of the title? And obviously, when you think collateral, you normally think collateral damage. If you think about it, life itself has a lot of collateral damage. For you to go through life, there's a lot of collateral damage, like there's death, there's hardship, there's sadness, there's betrayal, there's all this kind of negative feelings in life, and that is all your collateral damage. But I want you to start thinking of collateral beauty, because what collateral beauty says to me is the silver lining of collateral damage. So when something bad happens, it's a silver lining. When collateral damage happens, you've got to look for the collateral beauty. So the only way I can kind of explain this is the collateral damage in my life. So when my dad passed away, and it was really hard times, it really sucked and everything like that. And now I look back on it and I think, well, I'm devastated that he's not here, and it's upsetting that he's not going to be in parts of my life. But if he was here, how different my life would be. As in, I would be such a different person. I probably wouldn't be doing these videos. I wouldn't have gone through everything that I've gone through. I wouldn't be a stronger person. I wouldn't be as motivated to help other people. So when something hard happens in your life and you think, oh my God, this is so hard, I've lost this person, or I haven't got this job, or something bad is happening, or this friendship is going tits up, or something like that, and it's collateral damage of your life, I want you to think, well, what's the silver lining? What's the collateral beauty of this situation? Because there is always a silver lining. No matter how hard you have to look, there's always something good that can come out of the bad. You just have to look hard enough.